Hi everybody, this is Barbara from Tunisian Crochet World Podcast, and I'm going to try to do the tutorial for the honeycomb stitch in Tunisian. And this is a stitch that you use for the Amelia dress. I had it on my podcast, so check back and see that episode if you like. It is consisting of 2 simple stitches. So you'll have your Tunisian simple stitch, which is our standard one, and then we'll have a Tunisian purl stitch. Okay, and all you're doing is alternating between the 2 to get the stitch that you need. And what we're going to go ahead and start is I'm going to just work up a sample, and we're going to do our regular cast on. You want it to be an even mount of cast on to get the mount right. Okay. I'm using a 5.5 millimeter hook, and I've just cast it on, and I've done some stitches already so that you can see the different ones going in and out. Okay, and it's a simple 2-row repeat. Your backward pass is normal. You won't change anything on that. Okay, so on the first row, you're going to do a purl stitch, and then you're going to do a Tunisian stitch followed by a purl stitch, and then you're going to repeat that Tunisian purl, all the way to the end. Your last stitch is always going to be a simple Tunisian stitch. Okay, then the second row is going to be a Tunisian simple stitch and a purl. And you're going to do that all the way across, back and forth, and end with a Tunisian simple stitch. Okay, so let's get started. Ignore the fingernails, even though they're close to the same color. They're almost the same color. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off with row 1. And like I said, we're going to go ahead and do our purl stitch and purl stitch. We bring the yarn in the front. And the first stitch is always going to be hard with purl stitch. And you're going to go under the bar and pull yarn over. And again, remember, I'm trying to do this over camera. Alrighty. And then we're going to do our regular simple stitch. And then our purl stitch. Move the yarn to the front, go under the bar, do a yarn over, pull the stitch up. Next one is a simple stitch. Under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Back to the purl. Put the yarn in the front, go under the bar, yarn over, pull through. Back to the simple stitch, under the bar, yarn over, pull through, purl stitch, move to the front, put it under, wrap it over, yarn over, and pull through. Continue that to the end, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, we're on our last stitch, and we're going to do our Tunisian simple stitch, and we're going to go into both of the loops, yarn over and pull through. Now, we're going to do our return pass. Now remember, our return pass is normal, so we're going to yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and we're going to continue that to the end. And I'll see you back there. Alright, now the next row is we're going to start off with a simple stitch. So we're going to do our Tunisian simple stitch, go under the bar, yarn over and pull through. And then the next stitch will be our purl. So we're going to bring our yarn to the front, go under the bar, yarn over and pull through. And then we're going to go back to our Tunisian simple stitch. Insert, yarn over, pull through. Bring the yarn to the front, go in the hook, yarn over, pull the yarn up. Back to Tunisian simple stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up. Put the yarn in the front, go under the bar. Yarn over, pull up. Do Tunisian simple stitch. Insert the bar, yarn over, pull up. Purl. Tunisian purl, we're going to put the yarn in the front, go under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Back to our Tunisian. Oop, whoop. See, started getting the habit of doing the purl. Tunisian, go under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Purl stitch, put the yarn in the front, yarn over, and let's try it a third time. Yarn over, pull up. Tunisian, under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Purl stitch, move the yarn to the front, go under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Simple Tunisian, under the bar, yarn over, pull up. Purl stitch, move the yarn to the front, insert under the hook, under the bar, yarn over, pull through. Simple stitch, under the bar, yarn over, pull up, purl, move the yarn to the front, insert a hook under the bar, yarn over, and pull up. Back to the simple stitch, under the bar, yarn over, pull up, purl, move to the front, yarn over, pull through, and now we're on our last simple stitch. Go through both loops. Whoops, missed. Go under both loops, yarn over, pull up. There we go. And there's our simple honeycomb stitch in action. That's all it is. Those 2 repeats, continue on, and that will get you through the honeycomb stitch for the Amelia dress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Just keep on hooking. Bye for now.